Good evening on Sunday night. Hope you had a great weekend. Hope you're able to relax, spend some time with the family, go shopping. We need to go out shopping right now and support the economy. It's very, very important. Market bounced back up last week, and the bounce was due to news. There are three basic pieces of news that came out. One of them is the bailing out of Citigroup. Citigroup is a major bank, and basically the Fed said you're not going to fail. We're not going to allow you to fail, and that caused a bounce. Another reason is Barack Obama came out with his economic team, and his economic team is actually center-right rather than left, and that's really surprised the market. The people that he's choosing as his economic team are very impressive, and the market likes to see that. Third piece is the $800 billion bailout of consumers, which could work out very, very well for us. That's something that the market really likes to see because they're finally addressing the real problem, which is the consumers and consumer credit, which will support everything else, basically. So the market bounced back up, but is this it? Personally, I don't think so. I think this was a bounce up, and now we're going to get the retail sales that came out on for the results from Black Friday, which were very, very disappointing. Lots of traffic, but lots of shoppers, not a whole lot of shopping. I have friends that work in the retail business, and they tell me that a lot of people are walking around, but not a whole lot of shopping bags, and that's very, very interesting. It's too bad, but this is the year, and I think it's expected. I think it's basically built in, but it's still going to be disappointing. The futures are down a little bit overnight, down 15 points, 12 points right now, so not too bad. What I'm expecting the market to do for the next week, I expect the market to pull back a little bit. I think it's going to pull back to around here. And then I think it's going to come back up. And then I think it's going to fall back down. That's what I think is going to happen for the next week. That's S&P 500, by the way, on a 60-minute basis. Let me show you what I think on a daily basis is going to happen. As you can tell on a daily basis, we are still in a major downtrend. And if you think about it, these are all people that own the stocks all the way at these levels. People own. People bought stocks all the way over here. And all they're looking for is the thank goodness rally. Thank goodness rally happens when the market just rises up just a little bit and they can say, okay, I didn't cover at the bottom, I covered up a little bit. Thank goodness the market came up, and now I'm not going to lose as much money as I thought I was going to lose. So that's those kind of people that are going to be selling, that's called the overhead supply. And we're going to get quite a bit of it. And that's why before we turn around, we really need to establish a serious bottom. And this V bottom is definitely not serious enough. We're going to see the market come back down, possibly test this one. I'm not sure if it's going to test this one or not, and then round up. Whenever you see that, whenever you see the double bottom, is when we're going to go heavy on the long side. That's when we're going to call it a bottom, and we're going to go heavy, and we're going to purchase across the board. We're going to load up on ETFs probably to be able to buy across the board. If you miss the opportunity, the trading opportunity on the short side, make sure you don't miss the trading opportunity on the way back up. That's very, very important because on the way back up, it could be like a basketball that's being held underwater. We could have that kind of a rally. Excuse me. Let me see. One of the reasons is oil. We called the oil a top. If you look back around this time and you listen to our videos, you'll see that we called the oil top around 145. It's down below $50 right now, which is great. It's really, really good to see, and of course that's going to contribute to the economic upturn because that's a humongous tax cut. It's a humongous savings for people. It's a humongous savings for industries. One more thing that I want to talk about. We did catch the bounce. I showed you the trades are short trades. They worked out very well for us. Now this is the long trade we had from last week. We bought this one at around the $58 level. And it reached almost 70 on Friday. It reached 69.87. Actually, on Wednesday, it reached 69.99. So in just a couple of days, the stock went quite far, and that's always exciting That's always exciting. You have 58.09 up to almost 70. I still think the stock has got a little bit more room to go, but it's really too late to enter. You would have to be there in order to enter on time. So the rally back was great. I'm going to publish trading results for November. Watch for it over the next few days. The trading results that we publish are really, really important because you can go trade by trade, see which ones worked, which ones did not work. Make sure that you use it as an educational tool so you can go back and you can figure out why we picked our trade, how you would have traded it, how much money you would have made, what trades to watch out for, what trades to get, what kind of stop loss to use, and so much more. This kind of review is extremely important for your trading success. Make sure that you review the calls all the time. That's what I do every day with the day trading. That's what I do every day with the swing trading as well. You got to be able to review. You got to be able to see what worked and what did not work. Anyway, that's all I have for you for this week. I am looking forward to next week because I want to be able to call a bottom. I want to be able to see the market actually rounding it off and so on. Those of you that subscribe to the weekly newsletter, you do get a stock pick this week. Hope you like it. Hope it works out. Have a great week. If you want the daily updates, you have to go to our daily swing trading newsletter. Have a great week. Take care.